Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. We are continuing our UsersWP series where we are covering everything step by step from setting up UsersWP, creating login and registration forms, to managing users' profile, member directories, settings, and much more. Before watching this video, I highly recommended checking out our previous videos in this series, as it will help to better understand the step that we're covering today. You will find the link in the video description. Today in this video, we are going to talk about a UsersWP add-on called Followers. This add-on provides us with the capability to allow all our UsersWP members and users to follow and unfollow each other, just as we do on Twitter. As we can see here, with the Followers add-on for UsersWP, your WordPress website users will be able to follow each other just like on Twitter. So, this is a UsersWP extension that allows users to follow one another, just like on Twitter. To use this add-on, we need to purchase it from userswp.io and upload it to our UsersWP WordPress setup. We will talk about how to use it and how it works. So, let's go ahead and see how it works in practice. First of all, we need to log in to our WordPress dashboard. After that, we need to go to the plugin section and click on Add New Plugin. After clicking on Add Plugin, we need to click on Upload Plugin and then select File. We need the UsersWP Followers extension. Then, after that, we need to click on Install Now. As soon as we click Install Now, we activate this extension which I already had. So, we will just replace it and activate it. Our UsersWP extension is now activated and is showing up in the plugin section. Once activated in the UsersWP Form Builder, under the Profile tab, we get two extended fields, one for followers and one for following. If we visit anyone's profile or our own, no profile tab is showing here because we haven't added any tabs to the profile section yet. And if we add this followers tab here, and this followers tab of ours will show up here on the profile page. In this tab, it will show a list of all the users who have followed this user. Then I have added following to the profile tab as well. Now, this tab will also show on our profile. Following means the list of users that this user is following will be displayed here. We can also change the name of the tab from here, meaning followers is appearing here. So, if we change followers to followers users, the tab name will change to followers users, right? So, we can manage the tab name here as well. We can also change the icon from here to whichever one we prefer. Then there is a privacy option here where anyone means it will be visible to any type of user. Logged in user author only. If they are an author, it will only be visible to the author. If we select logged in, then only logged in users will be able to see this followers users tab. For instance, we have set the followers users tab for logged in users. Since we are already logged in, we can see the follower tab here. If we visit someone else's profile, we will still see this follower tab for users. If we, the same user, if we are looking at it for a logged out user, we won't see it because it is a logged out user. And we have added privacy settings for this tab so that it is only visible to logged in users, right? So we can manage these settings according to our needs. Now, let's log in as a user and see how to follow and unfollow each other. So, we will log in with this user, right? To log in, we will need the password for the UsersWP dummy user. We will log in as this user and follow another user. Now we went to sign in, then added the password for Justin, clicked on login. Now we are logged in as the user Justin, and we are going to Justin's profile to take a look. Currently, Justin has neither followed anyone nor has anyone followed him. So now we will go to users and we will follow Keiki. As soon as we click on this follow button, if we hover over it, an unfollow button will appear. And as soon as we followed them, on this users tab, we will see on the following tab that Justin has followed the user Keiki, right? So if the user Keiki is using the UsersWP notification add-on, Keiki will receive a notification saying Justin has followed you, something like that, right? So now we will log in as the user Keiki and accept this follow request. We will log out from here and then log in as Keiki. So we have now logged in as the user Keiki. You can see it here. And this is the user Keiki. Now in followers users, we can see the user Justin because Justin has followed this user Keiki, right? If we unfollow them from here, Keiki will be removed from this tab, right? And Justin will be removed from this tab. So let's follow them again. As soon as we clicked follow, again, Keiki is back. And here, Justin is back. Currently, this Keiki user isn't following anyone, which is why there are no users here. As soon as Keiki accepts this follow request, Justin's name will appear in this following tab, right? So, this is how our follow and unfollow functionality works for users. This is how you can use this add-on in your UsersWP setup, right? We also provide community website development services. If you need any help, you can book a free 30-minute consultation call with our expert. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.